Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because a few months ago, Avon actually contacted me, also known as AV Electronic Marketing. They're a company who produces audio stuff and they're really high quality. So they actually asked me if I want to take a look at one of their newer mixers, a USB mixer in fact, which is a really budget and nice mixer that people can use at home or normal people can use for their daily use. So today I'm going to check it out. But before the video actually starts, I want to say a huge thank you to Andrew, Mr. Pan, and of course Eric for contacting me. I had a great time at their Kuching studio right here, which is a place called AV Electronics. I went over, it's actually pretty close to Chonghua number 3, if Kuching people actually know. It's opposite the school and I had a great time there, the hospitality, and they actually brought me around the shop and take a look at what they sell. Again, huge thank you for them for actually allowing me to go there and take a look at their stuff. So with that out of the way, let's start today's video. So this is the product right here in this box. Let's unbox it, take a look and see what we get. So this is the box right here. Again, this is called the IVA Mix4USB. So it's a USB powered mixer which is really nice to use with your computer and audio recordings. Let's say you're recording a YouTube video, or you're a streamer, or you're just Zoom calling. This will help a lot with the audio. So let's just check it out. So on the top of the box here, we can say Mix4USB. So this is how the mixer will kind of look like. This is how it looks like. And it's audio mixer console with 4 channels. So this is the front of the box. Let's take a look at the side of the box. So on the side, we can see that we have 2 variants. We have the black and white variant, so you can choose whichever you want. And over here, it's all the recyclable things. On the top, again, same thing. Right side, same thing. Bottom, nothing much. And on the back, we have the same thing as the front, but in a different color. So let's unbox it. So that is everything. Let me just organize it for a while. So there's mainly 4 things that comes in the box. I'll put the mixer aside and we can check out the other important stuff. So these right here are the instructions provided by Avon. Let's check them out. So it just basically goes through all of the normal functions you use, and if you're a new user to this kind of mixer, you can take a look. You can read it, you can pause to read. It really teaches you how to use this mixer right here. Next thing you get is this black power adapter. So it actually connects to this. This will connect to the mixer itself and power it. Really nice, and it's a really long cable. Third thing you get is this in this plastic. Let me just take it out. So this is a USB cable. So this allows you to record your audio straight into a computer. So this plugs into the back of the mixer and this plugs into your recording device or computer. Last but not least, we have the star of the show, the mixer right here. Let's take it out. So this is what the mixer looks like close up. So let's go through one by one. On the top right here, we have 2 XLR ins for the microphone, so your inputs. On the right here, we have 2 more inputs, and of course left and right. Then on the right side, we have the main out, which is going to be connecting to your speakers if you have any main output devices. Here you have the button to activate the 48V Phantom and your PAD. Then this is the first, second, and third channel where you have 1 and 2. You have the effects right here. You can turn it on. Then of course you have your highs and lows, your gain and your peak. So for the effects function is right here on the main. We have repeat, which is basically reverb, and then we have a delay right here if you want to add like echo to it. Then over here on level 3 and 4, we have the USB or the plug-in audio, so you can switch it between the USB audio or the ones you are coming in from the XLR. Then right here on the right side, we have a phone audio, which is for your headphones. So if you're not listening on what your output is, you can plug in your headphones right here through the 3.5mm jack. Last thing we have right here is on top. This is the USB and Bluetooth panel right here. So you can connect audio through USB, through the MP3 files of your pen drive, or you can connect through Bluetooth to your phone and stuff like that. This is what the side looks like. It just has a little bit of patterning right here. Same on the left and right. On the bottom, it's just clear. Top part here, we have a few things, so you can look. We have a sticker right here, Mix4USB, which is the name of the device. Your 5V input for your power, so you can plug this with the cable given, or you can use a power bank as well. It doesn't require a lot of power. Power on and off switch. Right here we have a sound card or the USB connector, so any output of the sound right here will go through the USB. So any device you connect to the USB will receive the sound and you can record through that. That works for your laptop and your computer. On the bottom is just all black right here, matte black plastic, and that is all. So this is how the mic sounds like. Now I have it connected to the Behringer SL85s that was sent over by them also. I have it connected to the Mix4USB mixer. This is how it sounds like. This is how it normally sounds like with the microphone on my camera, which I'm using the Rode Video Micro. And this mic right here is the microphone they've given, so I've connected straight into my laptop. It's really easy to use, it's plug and play. The background noise can't really be picked up because of the mixer. It has a suppressor inside, I think, or you can adjust the gain and the highs and lows to your liking so that you can get rid of all of the background noise. So for 165 ringgit, I think that this mixer, especially being USB driven, is really nice. You can connect it to your computer, your laptop, or any USB device you want to record with, and it's really easy to use, and you can even power it with a power bank if you're going about. I really recommend this mixer. If you're interested, links will be down in the description below, and a huge thank you to AV Electronics Marketing for sending this over. I really like it, and I'll be using it almost every day now. So that is it for this video, guys. Leave a like if you like this video, dislike this video if you didn't like it. Click in the middle here to subscribe and watch my other videos on the side. If you're new here, do subscribe. I have more content like this coming very soon. As always, thank you for watching. Goodbye, guys.